Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. I'm going to crochet install. My hair is from Eayon hair and I got 3 packs. I got crochet hair 20-inch and it is a natural color and the texture is tight curly. I used a pack and a half. So in one pack like this, it has 2 of these. So I use 3 of these total. It's a pretty easy hairstyle. It does come with this crochet hook and then it comes with this as well, and you do get a comb. So it's pretty easy to do. I did a really simple braid down. Good thing about this hair is that when you remove it, you can reuse this hair too. So perfect if you are into crochet. This is definitely something I would recommend. The hair is super full and it is long. This texture is very thick, very full, very big. Definitely worth a try. So far I haven't styled it, so that's the last thing that I'm gonna do. I like the hair. It didn't take me too long to install it, and I hope you guys like it too. Be sure to check out my description. Ooh, this is so crazy. Be sure to check out my description box for the links to this hair. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it, of course. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so I'm gonna do my best to try and explain how I did this install. First, of course, this is everything that I got. Everything that comes with the hair is what you really need to do your install. This is what the individual piece of hair looks like. Really easy to install. It's built really nice. No issues there. But for my braid down, I went ahead and did a really simple braid down. Since the hair is this curly, thick texture, I knew that it would kind of camouflage any imperfections in my braid down. So I did not have to worry about that too much. I decided to do like a part in the middle and then just braid downwards. As you can see how the braids look. Till we get to the back, just kind of putting my hair up. You definitely do want to make sure you have enough braids though to be able to install enough hair. So after you have a good braid down, I like to do my edges first and then I'll start to install. Doing my edges first, just, I don't know, it makes everything look a lot better in the end. So the portion that I have on top, just kind of ignore that. I was ready to get started, so I just left that undone and started on my hair, but I did eventually braid that portion up. So now I'm getting into how I actually install the hair. So you're going to use the crochet hook, insert that in the area where you'd like to put the hair. Then you want to make sure that the latch is open. And with the yarn-like portion of the strand of hair, you're going to loop that onto the hook and then just close the hook and pull it through. So it should look like this. Sometimes I get a little mixed up, tangled up, but it's okay. You just remove the hook. And then you're going to spin the hair around because you'll have a loop in your fingers. You'll spin that loop around and then you will pull the actual hair through that loop. And it'll make like a little knot at the top where the braid is. So with this hair, you can hardly see the knot because the hair is so thick and full. But it's really, really easy to do. And with this texture, it's such a forgiving hairstyle. I just kind of put the hair all around my head. I didn't want this hairstyle to be too full because the hair, again, is super full and big. So I kind of just went around my head, messing around with everything until I kind of liked it. I didn't necessarily like go in a pattern or make sure that I used all the hair or anything like that. I definitely wanted to make sure that my hair was covered up. My braids were covered up underneath, but I didn't have any like rhyme or reason to it. I kind of just worked my way up my head. I started at the bottom, kind of like just going around adding hair to it until it looked pretty full. So this is how it looks after I've added half of one pack to the bottom portion of my hair. It looks super full, and this is one complete pack. So like I said, I definitely did not want to make the hair too full. So I was really kind of going spread it out as I was installing the hair. But I did end up adding one more half a bundle. So total bundles, I used 3, which was 1.5 packs. Now, while I was doing my install, I wasn't having any trouble at all from the hair. I think that the hair is constructed very, very well. The only type of kind of thing I can warn you about is when you're pulling the hair apart out of the pack, it can get tangled up. So don't just like pull it apart. Kind of take your time and work it apart so you don't get any knots or tangles in the hair and then have to deal with that when you're just trying to separate the strands so you can do your install. And separating the strands before you start, just having like a good amount laid out on your table before you start to install could help you to speed up the process. But honestly, it didn't take me that long to do this at all. Once you get into your rhythm of things and just kind of work your way up, it was actually really fun to do. It was kind of like a puzzle for me. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the hair. The hair didn't give me any trouble at all, honestly. Now I'm on to that other half, but hair didn't give me any trouble at all. Really loved it. And I wasn't really expecting to like the texture as much as I did. This texture is definitely different than my natural hair texture, so I was kind of like, I don't know. But in the end, it came out so nice. So I decided to style this hair in a side part. So the hair that I had left out, I just decided to do one big braid and have all of the hair kind of flowing to one side on that thick braid there. But even though it's a side part for me, it honestly is so versatile that I could have worn it on the other side too. Doing a crochet install allows you to have so many options when it comes to your hair. The strands of hair that you get kind of act like strands out of your head, so you can go left, right, middle part, anything, as long as it's really like the braids that you have. Give yourself enough parting space. You can really part your hair in any type of way. But this is how the install looks in the end. I think it looks so cute. I could have added a little more hair to the hairline, but I was so scared of just overdoing it that I didn't want to, but I still really liked it. Of course, you can wear it in a high ponytail, low ponytail, completely down, side part, middle part, anything like that. So definitely love this. And the hair, I have not done anything to just yet. So right now I am adding my water in, and then I'm going to use some curl activator with a little bit of conditioner. I did not comb the hair out. I did finger detangle. The hair is very kinky, coily, so I didn't feel like combing it out with an actual comb. But once I did spray it initially with the water and then add some conditioner, it was really easy to kind of finger detangle anyway. So I feel like I got the same effect. And so it did take me a minute to completely do that and get the hair like saturated because of the texture, of course. But once I finished, I loved this hair. And this is how it's looking after I've added the product and finger detangled. I really enjoyed this hairstyle and the actual hair. So if you have enjoyed this video too and want to check this hair out, the links are in the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials. I cannot wait to see you in the next one.